a by b which is equals to 16 by 3. Then find a plus b minus upon a minus b. So first we have to know how to find these type of questions involving fraction, like a plus b over a minus b. So we have a upon b is equals to 16 by 3. So basically we have to find this type of question by using componendo and dividendo. So first we have to know, I will tell you what is component and what is dividend. So let us focus over here. Component, right? And dividend. The dividend, or you can say, so by representing them C and D. So these are like, we have a number a upon b. So if we apply componendo over here, components apply to denominator of the fraction and dividendo apply to the denominator of the fraction. So let's take example of componendo. So हमें we have to apply it in a over b. So अगर हम इसको a over b में हम इसको apply करते हैं, so we get a plus b over b. And अगर हम इसे डिविडेंडो में अप्लाई करते हैं, अगर हम इसमें अप्लाई करते हैं, so a over a minus b. So this is for dividendo and this part is for componendo. So in that way we can apply componendo and dividendo to reduce the calculation part in our question. And it may be, it doesn't matter type of question, hard or, but it's simply for reduce the calculation part. Okay, so still now we solve करते हैं question को. So we have to apply componendo dividendo using C and capital D in that question. C stands for componendo and D stands for dividendo. So we are using it for reduce the our calculation. So first in our question a over b, we have to apply componendo. So a plus b over, then a minus b, then throughout the equation 16 minus 3 over 16 plus. So guys, we have to find we have to find this question, this form of question, a plus b over a minus b. So a plus b over a minus b is equals to 16 plus 3 over 16 minus 3. So a plus b and a minus b will become 16 plus 3 which is 19 and 16 minus 3 which is 13. So finally this is our answer. This is our answer. I hope आपको समझ आया होगा. ओके गाइस, हमारे वीडियोस को देखते रहिएगा और आपके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस को मैं सॉल्व करते रहूँगा. सो गाइस, थैंक यू.